No! I about clipped my hinge off. That would have been bad. I didn't check on the other side of the tree soon enough, but this is perfect. That's not enough, so luckily I needed it to go that way anyway, so it worked out. That was probably 50, 60 foot tree. It kind of bent in half, so a lot of stuff dropped. I got my hard hat on. This is another ash tree that has succumbed to the emerald ash borer. So I think I need to make my hinges smaller because like I'm maxing my wedge out, so I had to come in at an angle. This should probably only go to like there, but it still worked out. We got it where I needed it to go. Now we gotta chop it up. Woo-wee! I tell you what, cutting it down's the easy part. Dicing it up into like 40 bits is a lot of work, and it's like 90 some degrees. It's a lot of humidity today, so burning the calories, baby.